Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus S24 Ultra. What's changed? Design improvements. The S25 Ultra stands out with rounded corners, flat glossy sides, and a titanium coating, making it thinner, lighter, and more comfortable to hold. In contrast, the S24 Ultra maintains a classic, notebook-inspired design with rounded frames. Both feel premium, but the S25 Ultra's updated look feels more modern and in line with the rest of the S25 series. Performance gains. The S25 Ultra debuts the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, built on a 3nm process, offering a 30% faster CPU, 37% faster GPU, and 40% faster NPU than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra. It also features a 40% larger vapor cooling chamber, enhancing sustained performance, particularly during gaming or heavy multitasking. Display refinements. Both devices feature Dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and 2600 nit peak brightness. The S25 Ultra has slightly thinner bezels and a marginally larger 6.9-inch screen versus the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch display. Gorilla Armor Glass with anti-glare coating ensures durability and visibility on both. Software and storage. Out of the box, the S25 Ultra runs Android 15 with One UI 7, introducing new features like live notifications and multimodal AI. Both models offer identical RAM, 12GB and storage options, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. Camera updates. The S25 Ultra retains the S24 Ultra's impressive camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main sensor and 10-megapixel 3x and 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lenses. The upgrade comes in the ultra-wide lens, now 50 megapixels instead of 12 megapixels, and enhanced image processing powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Battery and charging. Both devices house a 5,000 mAh battery with the same 45-watt wired and 25 watts wireless charging speeds. Final verdict. The Galaxy S25 Ultra focuses on refining design, performance, and AI-driven software. However, its display, camera, and battery upgrades are incremental. For S24 Ultra owners, the changes may not justify an upgrade. For those with older phones, the S24 Ultra offers excellent value at discounted prices, while the S25 Ultra is the choice for those wanting cutting-edge features. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.